Biodiversity is us.
Earth is a bundle of life forms, systems of life present in every part of the world, whether an ocean, the forest, the sky, the land. Every nook and cranny, there is what we call biodiversity. Biodiversity is the variety of life present at all levels in the ecosystems of Earth that can encompass the evolutionary, ecological, and cultural process that sustain life. Biodiversity is built by intertwined features, ecosystem diversity, species diversity, and genetic diversity. The more intertwined these three are, the more resilient the ecosystem becomes. Take a look on the Amazon forest, which is one of the most biodiverse regions on this planet. Due to its complex systems, the species that make up the ecosystems, and also the genetic variety within those species. Species after species evolve and adapt for survival and express in enchanting ways. According to National Geographic Society organization, that scientists have estimated that there are around 8.7 million species of plants and animals in existence. However, only around 1.2 million species have been identified and described so far, most which are insects. That also means there are still organisms roaming around together with us yet to be discovered. On the Amazon forest, there are found a cocoa tree which bears cocoa fruits. When ripened, it will fall and crash on soil, which will be eaten on animals just like large rodents called agouti. Seeds scattered can grow into a new trees, and the remains of the fruit will decompose by small systems composed by insects and worms, which will benefit the soil to grow more healthy rich trees for the same cycle. This pack of interconnected species create and link stability to the next biodiversity. The wave is further reinforced by the genetic diversity within an individual species, which allows them to cope with changes. If one species removed from the ecosystem, it can continue to be resilient and recover from that change. But that is not applicable to all ecosystems. There are ecosystems that are sensitive, that once certain species is destroyed, one loss can be affected and threaten the entire fabric of ecosystem species and genetic diversity together form of the complex systems of biodiversity. Have you ever appreciated all the things around us? Biodiversity is beautiful. Life, in its optimum height with innumerable exciting colors, from a single pollinated flower to variety of life can be found nowhere else. Biodiversity has a significant role in everyone's life living on Earth. the human society greatly benefits from its richness. We value biodiversity for many reasons, may it be utilitarian or intrinsic needs. Utilitarian values include many basic needs for human survival, such as food, medicine, energy, shelter, and many more. Further, ecosystems provide crucial services such as pollination, seed dispersal, water purification, nutrient cycling, and control of agricultural pests. Intrinsic value of biodiversity refers to its inherent worth, which is independent of its value to anyone or anything else. A philosophical concept which can be thought as an inalienable right to exist. It benefits to a person's collective well-being, responsible for, and connection with the environment. Our planet might seem to have permanent features, but is limited and threatened to collapse due to excessive human consumption and various activities that threaten balance to ecosystem, that results to deliberate destruction and species extinction. Forests can be deserts. Terrestrial ecosystem can be covered by ocean. Some scientists estimate that half of all species on Earth will be wiped out within next century. That is why many organizations, together with the efforts of local communities, manage, preserve, and protect the environment for the use of many future generations. They carry out various activities for the youth to embrace healthy nature by ensuring cleanliness, participating in programs for environmental preservation, and partake to become the next protector of wild animals in risk of extinction. Biodiversity is vital for organisms to survive on Earth, and we humans are interwoven on the same system. In our hands lies the solution. We just need to act upon it and save our planet.